Hello students, this is Mosam, Assistant Professor English Engineering College Jhalawar. Welcome you again in this e-lecture series. In this lecture I will discuss about technical discourse. In simple words, discourse is the use of language in speech or writing in order to produce a meaning. The language that is studied usually in order to see how the different parts of a text are interconnected. So discourse means the use of language in speaking or writing. Louis, Louis Trimble has given the definition of technical discourse. He writes, English for science and technology writing is that type of discourse that has its purpose the transmission of information from writers to readers. Therefore, it uses only a limited number of rhetorical functions. It does not make use of such rhetorical functions as editorializing, non-logical argumentation, poetic images, or those functions that creates emotions. So basically, technical discourse means the use of how we use language in technical writing. So while writing a technical text or while writing or speaking technically, the language that we use is a clear-cut language. We do not use rhetorical devices and much of the poetic images or the non-logical arguments. We do not involve the emotions in technical writing. So that is technical discourse. Gary Black and Rory Bailey identify 10 principles which make a technical text a good one. These principles explains or determines the technical discourse of a technical piece of writing. These principles are technical accuracy, usefulness, conciseness, completeness, clearness, consistency, correct spelling, grammar and punctuation, targeted audience and clear organization. Types of technical discourse. There are 5 types of technical discourse that can be used in technical writing or speaking. These are description, narration, exposition, persuasion and argumentation. Description. The main purpose of this discourse is to explain or describe some concept, person or setting thought to be unfamiliar to the audience. When you need to explain anything to the audience that is unknown or unfamiliar to the audience, you use the technical discourse description. Means you will write the information in description form. Second is narration. The main purpose of this type of discourse is to explain some concept according to a given time or sequence. When you explain anything, any technical information to the audience according to a given time sequence, then the language you use is the narration language. So that is technical discourse is narration. Exposition. The main purpose of exposition define, inform, teach or explain some concept. Expository writing needs to be objective, precise and neutral. Fourth one is persuasion. The main purpose of this type of discourse is to convince or influence readers to accept a particular point of view by appealing to readers' emotions. In persuasion discourse, when you need to convince the readers or convince the audience about something, about a particular point of particular thing, then you convince the readers, you persuade them to accept your point of view. In persuasion discourse, you do this by appealing to the emotions of the readers or the audience. In argumentation discourse, the main purpose of this discourse is again to convince or influence readers to accept a particular point of view. But the difference is in this you will appeal the reader's logic. You will persuade the writer, readers or the audience by your arguments. You will appeal to their logic, not the emotions. So in this lecture we have discussed about technical discourse. Discourse means the use of language in technical writing. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. See you soon.